those of you who don't know me. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add some color in your hair by yourself at your home, but we have to mention that these are temporary colors. The ones I'm gonna use today are these ones called Combing Wash Out Temporary Hair Colors. And today I'm gonna use this pink one. I have tried this before in purple and I really liked it. So I just picked up a couple of them in each color that I found. I found blue, purple, the one I used last time, and pink, the one I'm gonna use today. I don't know if I might use one or two of these, and they're just $1. And here you have a little comb and the color. This is a really vivid color, a hot pink, so I think it would show up in my hair. So without further ado, let's get started. I just washed my hair and it is wet in my handy dandy twists. And the hairstyle that I'm gonna do today to put this color on is a wash and go with the shingling method. I am not gonna explain to you how to do that because I already have a video on that. It hasn't changed, so I'm gonna link it up here and I'm gonna fast forward until it's time to put in the color. Well, now that I have done like the bottom part, I'm gonna start putting some color or some pink highlights, and on the bottom I'm gonna do just a couple of them so I can focus more, like putting more color on top. Here it says to apply to the comb and then comb through hair and then wash out with soap and water when you want to get rid of it. I tried doing it with the comb and it didn't work, so what I do is I put on some gloves so I don't get the color all up in my hands, because I'm gonna put it with my fingers. So I just open this. So the color is gonna be on each curl that I form, but the ones that I select now. I'm gonna put a little bit of color in my finger, like so. And now I'm gonna choose the curl, and with these two fingers I'm gonna smooth it and let go. I'm gonna put a little bit more, enough. Select another curl and smooth it through. You want to saturate the curl so the color can like show up. I'm gonna put a couple down here. Let's say this little curl and this little one. Remember to put a couple on the back of your head so you don't look all weird, like with a couple of curls colored and in the back nothing. To the other side. Here is a little close-up of how the curls look. So now I'm just gonna remove the gloves, as I'm gonna keep doing the shingling method. And when I need to put back color, then I'm gonna put the gloves on again. I used to walk these roads with you. So I just finished up doing the shingling method on the top part of my hair. I don't know if maybe you can see some color down there, but I have not put color in this part. That is the one that is gonna show the most. I changed my gloves because they were really, yeah. So as I told you before, you're gonna grab a little bit of color, like so. You're gonna select the curl that you're gonna color. For example, this one. And with these two fingers, you're gonna put the color in and smooth it out. And let go. Now you just have to repeat those steps until you are done. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? and that's about it. At the end, you just have to look where you want more highlights and just add them. And now we can say that I am done. I'm gonna dry my hair under my hooded dryer because over here it's night and I don't want to go to bed with my hair wet. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see how the color looks right now. Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Is dry. Good morning. Now it's the next day. My hair is totally dry. Last night I did got under the hooded dryer for a couple of minutes. I went to bed how I usually do with a loose pineapple, and this morning I just took it off, checked my hair, and scrunched it a little bit with coconut oil in my hands so I could break out the cast. This is my final result. This is the first day, and here you can see how the pink highlights look. They look amazing. This is a wonderful idea to change things up and to add a little bit of color to your hair without damaging it. As I told you yesterday, I tried the purple ones and I really liked it, and I haven't tried the blue ones, but I will do that. I really like this look, so if you did too, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so YouTube can let you know whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on my next video. Kisses and hugs. See ya!